I spent the last 30 days testing every free AI tool Google has released, expecting them to be mediocre at best. But what I found was shocking. 7 of these tools are not only completely free, but they are actually outperforming paid alternatives that cost $20 to $50 per month. So in this video, I'm walking you through all 5 and showing you exactly how to use them to replace your entire tech stack. Starting off with tool number 1, we have AI Studio Build, and you can access this at aistudio.google.com/. Now, this site is usually where Google releases their experimental models for developers. So, the interface might look a little technical at first, but don't let that scare you. It is actually incredibly easy to use. To access the feature, you just go to the left sidebar and click the Build button. That opens up a window asking you to describe your idea. This literally means you can type in plain English and Gemini will handle all the hard work, writing the code from scratch. So, I'm going to type a simple request. Design a job application form. Include fields for personal info, contact details, resume upload, portfolio link, and a cover letter text area. Keep the layout structured and professional. Watch what happens. AI Studio instantly starts planning the structure, writing the code, and building the interface in real time. And look at what it created, a fully functional job application form with a modern layout and input fields for personal details, contact information, resume upload, and cover letter. It includes a structured application review section where candidates can verify their information before submission. And if you don't like something, you can just tell it to add a saved draft for incomplete forms, and it updates instantly. You can use this for landing pages, client portals, or really any web app where you would normally hire a developer or pay for a tool. And the best part is it is completely free inside Google AI Studio. Tool number 2 is Opel, which you can access at opel.google. If you have heard the hype around automation tools like NADN, this is basically Google's direct competitor to that. But while other tools can get expensive or complex, Opel is completely free and incredibly simple to set up. It lets you build workflow apps using nothing but plain English. You describe what you want, and it automatically constructs the logic using a node-based system, connecting triggers, actions, and outputs visually, so you can see exactly how the data flows. Here's how to use it. Once you land on the homepage, click Create New. You will see an interface like this. Just head straight to the text box at the bottom to enter your prompt. I'm going to type a really simple request. Create a tool where I enter a topic, and the AI generates 10 viral YouTube video titles about it. That is all I am telling it. And hit Submit. Watch this. It took about 20 seconds, and look at the structure it built. Now, if you wanted to get technical, you could go up to the top menu, manually add a user input node, and connect it to the AI generation block to customize the logic yourself. But honestly, looking at what the AI just created, the workflow looks perfect. So, I'm going to delete this. On the left, you have the yellow input node where you enter the topic. The middle section is the AI processing node, which handles the brainstorming, and the final step displays the results. To test this, I'll click Start and type in money. And immediately, it gave me 10 title variations listed right on the screen. The key difference here is that while AI Studio Build creates deployable web apps for the public, Opel is all about creating internal workflow apps to optimize your own operations. Basically, you can use Opel for any situation where you need to standardize how you collect data and have AI process it instantly. It allows you to build sophisticated internal tools without writing a single line of complex code. Tool number 3 is NotebookLM, and honestly, it shocks me how many people are still unaware of this platform. You can access it at notebooklm.google.com. And while it is incredible for general research, the real game changer is a new feature called Video Overview. This takes your raw files and actually transforms them into a full explainer video. Here is how it works. Once you are in NotebookLM, just create a new notebook. You can add sources by uploading files, importing from Google Drive, adding website or YouTube links, or simply pasting text. I'll start by adding a PDF I created on AI for content generation, and I also have a website link with more content on the topic. Now look over at the right side under the Studio tab and you will see the Video Overview option. But before you click Generate, here is a pro tip. You can actually configure the output before it starts. Just click the settings icon, hit the custom button right here, and you can give it your own specific instructions. So I'm going to type this. Focus specifically on AI tools and how it is used for content creation. Keep the tone professional but engaging. Now I'm going to click on Video Overview. It usually takes a few minutes to render because it is effectively reading through every single document, understanding the context, and scripting a show from scratch. And here it is.
Job you need to get done right now. Let's kick things off with writing and ideation, because that's the foundation for so much of what we do. So you can see ChatGPT is still that versatile workhorse for just getting initial ideas and drafts down.
The quality is honestly shocking. It synthesized information across all my different PDF, provided websites, and produced a result that feels incredibly premium. You can use this to turn research into training materials, or basically anytime you need to turn dense technical papers into content people actually want to watch. Tool number 4 is Nano Banana Pro, Google's image generation model. And it's also built directly into the Gemini interface. To access it, search Nano Banana Pro, open the first result, and select Try Nano Banana Pro. Then click Create Image and enter your prompt. Here's what makes this powerful. The image quality is competitive with expensive tools like Midjourney and DALL-E, but it's completely free inside Gemini. I'm going to type this prompt. Generate a product mock-up of a sleek wireless earbuds case in matte silver. Display it on a clean wooden desk beside a smartphone and a coffee cup. Professional lighting, commercial photography style. The matte silver earbuds case looks realistic with clean reflections. It's placed on a wooden desk beside a smartphone and a coffee cup, matching the prompt exactly. The professional lighting feels natural and polished, making it suitable for marketing use. One thing to note here is that Nano Banana is also available in AI Studio, with more advanced controls like temperature settings. But for most use cases, accessing it directly in Gemini is the easiest way. It's perfect for product mockups, pitch deck visuals, or anytime you need high-end marketing assets without waiting on a designer. And finally, we have tool number 5, multiple audio generation inside Google AI Studio. This creates studio-quality voice audio with multiple speakers having natural conversations. And while platforms like 11 Labs charge you $20 to $40 a month for this level of quality, here it is completely free. To access it, go to aistudio.google.com. Come down here and click on this Turn Text into Audio with Gemini section. Now you have two options here. You can generate standard single-speaker audio or select the multi-speaker option, where you can have multiple different voices having dynamic back-and-forth conversations. Hers is it's already on multi-speaker audio. Now, I'll demonstrate exactly how this works by creating a podcast intro. First, I need to provide the script. So, I'll paste in this dialogue right here. Now, I can actually go to the right side and select different voice profiles from the drop-down if I'm not liking the current ones. Listen the voices and choose according to your use case. But before I continue, I want to direct the performance. So, right here in the style instructions, I'm going to type, keep it high energy and conversational. Speaker A is skeptical and speaker B is enthusiastic. I'll hit run, and AI Studio will take about 20 to 30 seconds to generate the audio. And just like that, it is ready. Let's take a listen.
Hey everyone, today we're talking about the NPL Technical YouTube channel.
This channel teaches how to use apps and how to earn money using AI.
The tutorials are super simple and beginner-friendly.
If you want easy tech learning and earning methods, check out NPL Technical.
That is really amazing. The voices sound incredibly natural and the pacing is conversational. They are actually reacting to each other dynamically, not just reading separate lines in a vacuum. It honestly sounds like a real podcast recording session. Now I can just click the 3 dots, download the file, and it's ready to use. And this is a total paradigm shift. Accessing studio-grade, multi-voice audio without a budget means the possibilities are literally endless. So there you have it. Now you have access to 5 completely free Google AI tools that compete with paid alternatives. You can build apps, automate internal workflows without coding, turn research into videos, create professional images, and produce high-quality audio, all without paying a cent. If you want more videos like this breaking down the best AI tools, do subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.